When you connect an Android Auto compatible phone to the vehicle, you'll get all your favorite maps, media, and messaging apps on your car display. To use Android Auto on an Android 9.0 phone or earlier, download the Android Auto app from Google Play Store to your smartphone. Later models come with the app already installed. When you connect an Android phone to the audio system via the USB port with the three-pronged icon, Android Auto is automatically initiated. Select Yes on the screen to enable Android Auto. When you first use Android Auto, a tutorial will appear on the screen. We recommend you complete the tutorial while safely parked. Press the Connect button to display the Android Auto home screen. From the Android Auto home screen, you can display Google Maps and use the navigation function just as you would with your Android phone. Note that when the vehicle is in motion, you cannot make keyboard entries. Stop in a safe place to undertake a search or provide other input. Touch the phone icon to make and receive phone calls as well as to listen to voicemail. Talk to Google on Android Auto and get things done with your voice so you can keep your focus on driving. Just say, "Hey Google," long press the voice control button on your steering wheel, or tap the mic icon on the screen to get started. You can say things like, "Text Anne," "Call Michelle," "Navigate to Honda," "Play my road trip playlist." Touch the Honda icon to exit Android Auto. For more information, please refer to the Android Auto homepage at www.android.com/auto. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details.